Hi, Flutter developers. Have you ever wanted to create dynamic temporary overlays in your app? The bottom sheet is the perfect solution. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a modal bottom sheet and then customize it to fit your app style. Stay tuned till the end for the expert tips to make your bottom sheet stand out. The bottom sheet widget allows you to display content that slides up from the bottom of the screen. Let's start with the basics. So on the screen here, I have the void main method and the run app method, which takes my app widget, which is a stateless widget. And this stateless widget returns material app, which takes modal bottom sheet example for home. And the modal bottom sheet example extends the stateless widget, which returns scaffold. Inside this scaffold, I have the body, which takes elevated button. And this elevated button takes onPress and then takes a child, which says show modal bottom sheet. And what we're going to be doing here is that we want it in such a way that when we click on this button, a bottom modal sheet comes up on the screen. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to add a method to do so. We're going to give it a name, say show bottom sheet, which is going to take context. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to create the method. It doesn't have a return type, so we're just simply going to copy this name. Then here, let's have it here. And then this is going to take a build context. And then inside this method, we can call the function show modal bottom sheet. This show modal bottom sheet takes context, which is this context we are getting from here, and it takes a builder. And this builder takes context. And then you can have, for now, your container widget returned. There's a semicolon here and semicolon here. And if we should save this now, we have this on the screen. Let's center this button. Let's wrap this with a center widget. Yeah, we have this button now. So if I click on this now, a modal bottom sheet appears over my current screen. So if I want to close this, I can just click outside here and it closes. Let's add some content inside our bottom sheet. So this container can take a child, and then this child, let's give it a test widget, which we can say this is a, and then we can give this container a height of 200 pixels and then a color of colors dot white. And let's remember to center this at center, and let's save this. And when I click on this now, and you can see I have the text which I've added to the container. So if I want to close this, I can just click here and it closes. So if I don't want it in such a way that I can click outside here and then dismiss this, I can add the is dismissible. The default value is true, so we can turn it to false and save this. Let's click here first, then let's read it again. So if I click here now, you can see it's not working. So let's turn it back to true. So another thing I can do is that, I can click on this, and if I want it to in such a way that if I drag it, I can close it. By default, it's on enabled drag, which is true. If I don't want to be able to drag it in order to close it, I can turn it to false and save this. So if I come here and I click on it, if I try to drag it, you see I can't drag it. And these are some of the customization we can add to our show modal bottom sheet. We can customize our modal bottom sheet further by adding more content to the bottom sheet. Here I have my column widget, which has the size box, and then I have the first widget, which is the text widget, show customized bottom sheet, and I have a divider, and I have a list type followed by, which is this. So if I save this now and I click on this now, you get to see how you can add multiple content to your bottom sheet. And let's customize further. So some of the things we can do is that you can add a background color, and then you can say colors dot, let's just make it a red. And then another thing you can do is that in case you are not okay with the corner radius, you can add shape, and then you can say rounded. Yeah, and then you can give it a border radius. Then this takes border radius of circular, and then I can increase this to 50. And let's save this. Let's click here. Let's go back. And then you can see now we have this, and this takes, we have corner radius here, and also corner radius here. But if I just want to make it at the top, I can just say border radius dot vertical, and then yeah, this we can now say where we want to have the corner radius. Then we can say top, and then give it a radius dot circle of, let's make it 50, same. Yeah, you have to save this, and then let's click here, go back. Yeah, so you can customize your bottom sheet in line with your UI design, and you can add as many contents you want to have on this. And there you have it, a simple and customized modal bottom sheet for your Flutter app. Use these examples to enhance your app's user experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Flutter tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.